This is that wood fire pizza. Take a look at that. Why's the bacon looking like that? I guess this is beef bacon. What's going on? It's your boy Machiavelli back again with another video. I was on Instagram scrolling around. I came across Zula burger. So you already know what it is. I'm out here to check it out. This is the entire menu right here? Yes. Okay, just give me a quick second. What do you recommend to me? Like, what's your best or your most sought out burger?
One we sell is truffle, deluxe, and bacon and cheeseburger.
Truffle deluxe and bacon and cheeseburger?
Yep.
And you sell pizzas too? What's your most recommended pizza?
I would say buffalo chicken, pesto, margarita, carne.
Okay, let me get the pesto chicken, one pesto chicken pizza.
Sure.
And for the burgers, let me get the truffle crunch.
Okay.
And let me get one bacon cheeseburger. Does that come with a side?
Like fries, if you choose a combo, it's gonna come with fries and pop.
Okay, let me get for one of them. Let it be a combo with
So
fries and pop.
Truffle with combo.
Yeah.
Alright, so there was only one pesto chicken and truffle.
What is this right here?
These are dips.
Dips? What kind of dip is this?
The green one is spinach garlic.
Yeah.
The other one is chipotle. And
Okay.
the last one is truffle mayo. Okay?
Let me get all three of them actually. One of each, yeah. So we're outside in the cold, we finally got the food. We got the pesto chicken pizza. Let's see how that looks. Ah, it looks good still. Crust to the bottom, nice and crispy. This is that wood fire pizza. As you can see, we got the toppings. Some mushroom on that. I didn't know it was gonna be mushroom. Cheese, feta cheese. It's like some chicken. All right, let's try it out. Grab a big piece right here. Y'all see that? Not bad. To be honest, I'm not really a mushroom guy. So it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. But it goes well with the pizza. The crust, nice and crispy. The pesto is adding a nice little flavor to it. The feta cheese, the chicken, it's just making it right. Let me try this with a dipping sauce. So we got this finished dipping sauce. Dip it in here. Okay. I fuck with this finished dipping sauce. The sauce, I'll give the sauce like a 10 out of 10. That shit is fire. I don't know what they put in that, but it's doing its thing. Now, the whole sauce, as you can see, back up. Oh, we good? Not bad. Not bad. It's alright with the pizza. This is their house garlic sauce. Yeah, it's a solid garlic sauce. It's a solid garlic sauce. The pizza itself, overall, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. It's a solid pizza. It got kind of cold on me because I came out here and it's fucking freezing out here in Canada right now. The crust is amazing. The taste is up there. Like I said, I'm gonna give it like an 8 out of 10. Solid pizza. All right, so we got the truffle burger. Hold up, before I do that, I'm gonna try the fries out. We got the fries. Oh fuck. Fries are solid. Fries are solid. Crispy, crunchy, not too salty. Both good with the sauce. I'm gonna give the fries like an 8 out of 10. It's a solid fry. Now, the onion rings. You see how they look? Looking crispy, crunchy. Woo! You guys hear that crunch? That's a solid onion ring. Right off the bat, I'm liking the onion ring more than the fries. But dipping in one of these sauces do the same. Onion rings, 9 out of 10. Now, for the main course, we got the truffle burger, as you can see. Take a look at that. You see the truffle burger? I don't remember exactly what they have on it. It looks like caramelized onions. We got our cheese, we got our beef patty, of course. Some kind of sauce mayo at the bottom, I guess. We'll take a bite, let you guys know what it's hitting on. As you can see, whoo! This bird is trying to blow me away. Fuck. The bread itself had a crunch to it when I bit the burger. Right away, you can feel the taste, the flavor of the onions, the burger, the cheese, the mayo. I don't know how they did it, but it got a little crunch to this. I'm liking it. This burger here, it's solid. I'm gonna give it like an 8.5 out of 10. It's a solid burger. I fuck with it. Last but not least, we got the bacon cheeseburger. Take a look at that. Bun's looking like the other burger. Ooh, look at all that sauce. So they got pickles on here, onion, cheese. Ooh, why is the bacon looking like that? I guess this is beef bacon. Yeah, this is halal bacon. Beef patty, tomato, lettuce. All right, let's see what this is hitting on. Wow. Wow. No, I'm glad I went back and grabbed this burger. This burger, I'm not gonna lie, this is giving McDonald's. The sauce, not the bread, the sauce itself. It kind of tastes like a Big Mac sauce for some weird reason. But it's hitting, it goes well with the burger. You'd think you're eating McDonald's. Let me see the inside. This burger here, the patty, nice and salty. Beef, has a nice salt to it. Everything else, the cheese, the sauce, it's all complementing each other. What I would give this burger out of 10, I like it more than the other one. I'm gonna give this one a 9 out of 10. It's a solid burger. I definitely come back for this burger here and try the food out again because I was loving it. But anyhow, the boy Machiavelli tapping out with another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you guys want me to go next. I'm out. Peace.